Torrential slide value equivalent to $9.1830 a coin. The present reach, $9.0430, $9.3090. The earlier day close, $9.1100. The change was plus 0.0730. Plus 0.80%. Reverse rate, United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023. Initially cost at $9.98. Most extreme cost $10.14. Least cost $8.16. The normal for the month $9.26. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $8.77. Change for September 12.1%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. In the first place cost at $8.77. Greatest cost $9.06. Least cost $7.14. The normal for the month $8.35. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $8.44. Change for October 3.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset cost at $8.44. Most extreme cost $8.44. Least cost $6.59. The normal for the month $7.64. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.09. Change for November 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Before all else cost at $7.09. Most extreme cost $7.47. Least cost $6.49. The normal for the month $7.01. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $6.98. Change for December 1.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost cost at $6.98. Greatest cost $6.98. Least cost $5.99. The normal for the month $6.60. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $6.44. Change for January 7.7%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. To start with cost at $6.44. Greatest cost $6.44. Least cost $5.03. The normal for the month $5.83. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $5.41. Change for February 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at $5.41. Greatest cost $5.59. Least cost $4.85. The normal for the month $5.27. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $5.22. Change for spring 3.5%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. Before all else cost at $5.22. Most extreme cost $5.80. Least cost $5.04. The normal for the month $5.37. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $5.42. Change for April 3.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else cost at $5.42. Most extreme cost $5.42. Least cost $4.37. The normal for the month $4.98. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.70. Change for May 13.3%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. At the outset cost at $4.70. Most extreme cost $5.83. Least cost $4.70. The normal for the month $5.17. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $5.45. Change for June 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at $5.45. Most extreme cost $5.45. Least cost $4.26. The normal for the month $4.94. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $4.58. Change for July 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. In the first place cost at $4.58. Greatest cost $4.58. Least cost $3.58. The normal for the month $4.15. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $3.85. Change for August 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2024. To start with cost at $3.85. Greatest cost $4.62. Least cost $3.85. The normal for the month $4.16. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $4.32. Change for September 12.2%. United States dollars to Avax swapping scale equivalent to 0.1089 torrential slides per $1. The present reach 0.1074 0.1106. The earlier days nearby 0.1098. Change for now 0.0009. 0.82%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at $2.80. Most extreme cost $3.48. Least cost $2.80. The normal for the month $3.08. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $3.25. Change for November 16.1%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. To start with cost at $3.25. Greatest cost $3.94. Least cost $3.25. The normal for the month $3.53. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $3.68. Change for December 13.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $3.68. Greatest cost $3.68. Least cost $2.87. The normal for the month $3.33. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $3.09. Change for January 16.0%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. At the outset cost at $3.09. Most extreme cost $3.09. Least cost $2.42. The normal for the month $2.80. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $2.60. Change for February 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WOC 2026. First and foremost cost at $2.60. Greatest cost $3.23. Least cost $2.60. The normal for the month $2.86. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.02. Change for spring 16.2%. Avax to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. At the outset cost at $3.02. Most extreme cost $3.75. Least cost $3.02. The normal for the month $3.32. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.50. Change for April 15.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2026. Initially cost